Now that we have made our migrations, it's time for us to create our super user. So what we can do is we can type in Python manage.py create super user, and make sure that all these things are in small letters and hit enter. It's asking me for a username, so I'm going to leave it to Fatah Gabriel and hit enter. I'm going to add in a email address. I'll add in the password as capital P ASSWORD @123. I'll repeat that again. Great, our super user has been now created successfully. Let's launch our project in the browser now. Run this again. So stop and rerun. And now our server is running. So you can click on this one. And from here, now we can go to admin. I type in my username and my password. Now we have successfully logged into our dashboard. We need to add our employees table over here. In order to do that, we can get back to our PyCharm here. Now I need to register my employees. I'm going to close this. Now inside this employee, go to admin. And here we need to import models of employee. So from dot models import employee. And after that, I'm going to create a class employee admin. I'm going to add admin dot model admin, and inside this I'm just going to pass. In order to register this in our admin panel, all we have to type in is @admin dot register employee. Save that. Now you can stop this and rerun. Let's get to our browser again. Let's refresh. Now you can see that we have our employees table. I'm going to click on this one, and you can see right now we do not have any employees. So let's go ahead and add some employees. I'm going to click on add and add the first name as John. The last name, you can see that it is kind of grayed out, so basically it's optional. I'll set this to capital J Doe. Now add the email address John Doe @gmail.com. I'm going to add a dummy phone number. Employee gender is male. And to add an address, I'm just going to call this as Bangalore. And you can see the employee job is completely empty because we have not specified anything inside it. So I'm going to leave it blank for now. And I'll set the date for today and then click on save. Great. Now I'll create another one. I'm going to call this as Jane Doe. Employee ID is Jane Doe @gmail.com. We need to add some phone number. I'm going to add this as female, and this is Mysore. I'm going to set the date of birth to today. Click on save. I'm going to add another one. I'm going to call this as Robert Smith. I'm going to call this as Robert Smith @gmail.com. Add a phone number. Set it to male. I'm going to set this to Delhi. And date of birth, I'm going to set to this one and click on save. Now you can see that our employees list is created, but all we can see here is just employee object as 3, 2, and 1. We need to specify a proper naming for this.